Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Accidental Doctor. Today in this video I am going to talk about another deemed medical college of Uttarakhand state. We have already discussed and I have made a video on Himalayan Institute of Medical Sciences Dehradun. In this video I am going to talk about Graphic Era Institute of Medical Sciences. This college is also located in Dehradun in Uttarakhand state. This college is affiliated with Graphic Era, which is a deemed to be university. And this deemed medical college is recently established new medical college in the year 2024. This college provides total 150 seats for the MBBS course. Now I will tell you about the fee structure for MBBS. So for first year, second year, third year and fourth year, the tuition fees for general category will be 22 lakhs, and for final fifth year the fees will be 11 lakh rupees. And for NRI category, for first year, second year, third year and final year, the amount will be $45,000, and for final fifth year will be $22,500. This is the tuition fees, and the actual admission total admission fee may vary, and a candidate must pay total fees upon the admission. It is said in their whatever the notice they have given, and caution money deposit of 50,000 rupees you have to pay at the time of admission, which is a one-time amount you have to pay in the first year, and this amount is refundable, which means after the completion of the course you will get this amount back. After that there is also a university eligibility fee, which is 2 lakh rupees. It is also a one-time fee and is non-refundable. And the cutoff for Graphic Institute of Medical Sciences Dehradun is 322 marks. I am going to tell you about hostels, about the list of documents and the campus facilities and the other facilities, and how to apply for this college. I am going to tell you everything, so make sure to stay till the end of the video. Talking about the hostels first, so for both boys and girls there are double sharing AC rooms, and the hostel charges are 3 lakh rupees per annum, which includes room rent, mess charges and power charges. And candidates are only allowed to further proceed for the hostel admission procedure and to pay the fees of hostel only after completion of the admission procedure of the college. So it is said that compulsory that you have to do the first college procedure, and only after that you can do the hostel procedure. Okay, talking about the hostel facilities, so the hostel will provide you modern amenities with spacious rooms and 24/7 security and high-speed internet connectivity. And in a hostel room you will get bed, study table, chair, wardrobe and gym, also many other recreational facilities. The college provides UG, PG and diploma courses. Along with that, hospital is 1250 bedded, and the OPD flow is of 1242 outpatients daily with 33 casualty attendances. Bed occupancy rate is notably high at 85%, with average of 99 admissions and 98 discharges daily. Radiological investigations say that X-rays are the most frequently used diagnostic tools, with 134 OPD, 84 IPD cases daily, followed by 50 OPD and 22 IPD cases stand at 9 and 5 respectively. Talking about the connectivity of the college, or how you can reach to the campus, so nearest bus stand is Dehradun ISBT bus stand, which is approximately 12 kilometers away from the campus, and by road it will take 25 to 30 minutes to reach to the college by taxi or auto rickshaw. And the nearest railway station is Dehradun railway station, which is approximately 15 kilometers away from the campus, and the nearest airport is Jolly Grant Airport, which is 35 kilometers away, and it will take 1 hour to reach to the campus from the airport by taxi. You must be thinking how to take admission in this college. So first you have to give the NEET exam, which is the entrance exam. After qualifying the NEET, you can enter the counseling process. So for that you can register online at www.mcc.nic.in. After that you can do your choice filling, and after the seat allocation you can go to the college and submit your documents and pay the fees, and you can confirm your admission there. Now I will tell you the list of documents that the college will ask you to submit at the time of admission. So the first document should be of MCC allotment letter. The second document will be of NEET UG hall ticket or admit card, along with that NEET UG का result card and 10th और 12th की marksheet, ट्रांसफ़र सर्टिफिकेट और कंडक्ट सर्टिफिकेट, फ़ी पेमेंट का डिटेल्स का जो भी आता है डॉक्यूमेंट वो, एंड आधार कार्ड की कॉपी. एंड फॉर NRI कैटेगरी स्टूडेंट, द स्टूडेंट he or she must pass his or her 12th by the subjects physics, chemistry, biology and English. So all this original set of documents along with 2 set of photocopies and 6 latest passport size photographs should be there at the time of admission. So this was all about Graphikira Institute of Medical Sciences, Dehradun. If you have any doubts, you can contact us on this number and make sure to stay updated by following our page at @accidental doctor on Instagram. And if you want to know about our counseling services or want to purchase our internal details plan, so the detailed explanation of how to avail the benefits from our counseling is provided in a video, the link of which I have attached in the description box below. And if you have any other doubts, you can also comment down below. And subscribe this channel for more such informative videos. Thank you.